my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll explain how to use Facebook app step by step. Today we'll explain how to show or hide notification dot for groups, page and menu on Facebook. Let's get started and see how can we do that. At first, tap on Facebook app icon. Then click on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. Press on settings. Click on shortcuts. Then tap on notification dots. You can choose which shortcut will show your notification dots. This setting means that group, page and menu are hidden. If you want to get it shown, just press on this icon. You can choose which one will get notification dot as you want. Here we reach to the end of the video. On this video we explain how to show or hide notification dot for group, page and menu on Facebook. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.